Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by looking closely at the clip to see what failed: the spring, a cracked jaw, or a bent hinge. Once identified, remove any loose fragments so you don't lose them. Use needle nose pliers to spread the jaws slightly and a screwdriver to free the old spring if present. You want a clear view and a stable surface. This prevents losing tiny parts and speeds up the next step. From here, gather the replacement spring or plan to reform the metal. Now focus on the spring. A bent coil can often be reshaped. You grip the spring with pliers, straighten coils, and restore tension so the jaws close evenly. If the spring is broken, fit a replacement of the same diameter and coil count. Compress it with pliers while sliding it into the hinge slot. Make sure the jaws align. If one side sits higher, tap the hinge gently with the screwdriver to level it. Once alignment is good, move to reassembly steps. You reassemble by seating the spring ends into their grooves and compressing the clip slowly until the spring snaps into place. Once assembled, operate the clip 10 to 15 times so parts settle and friction wears in evenly. Make sure the snap is even and the jaws meet squarely. If one jaw lags, reopen and tweak the spring position or rebend the jaw slightly. If persistent looseness or misalignment remains, replace the spring with an exact match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.